Okay, so karon gyud sa nato pagkabalo nga adunay Bitsi okay diri na pud sa studio.
Sa Facebook ra nako nakita ang inyong post niya. Ningon si mami nako nga, "Nak, kung apil ka ani nak nin ko, sure, why not?" Munang naabot naman.
Wow, ganahan kay ko ang ilang conversation, no? Karon unsa na po imong i-perform para namo?
Beautiful Things by Benson Boone.
Uy, grabe man kay kag mga kalantahon, no? Okay, so ready na ba si Mikhail?
Okay na.
Since ready na ka, ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa Bitsi okay diri sa studio para nimo. Let's go, Mikhail.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He set my way. But I know the things He gives me He can take away. And I hold you every night. That's a feeling I wanna get used to. There's a man as terrified as a man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take. I find my mind now, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I never got enough. And I've got peace and I've got love, but I'm up and I thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.
Bitzers, pila kay inyong ihatag nga score ni Mikhail ug ngano? I-comment na sa lalom kay atoan ang istoryahan didto.
Bitzers! Successful gyud kaayo ato ang Bitsi okay diri sa studio. Ang mga partisipante nga ni Anhi, gipangandaman gyud kaayo nila pag-ayo. So sa sunod na pud ha, kita-kits! Ug syempre, ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa ato ang Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga coming videos nato.